Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the steps to activate your Flippa marketplace profile and start flipping domains. Flippa is a popular platform that allows you to buy and sell websites, domain names, and online businesses. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Create a Flippa account. To get started, visit the Flippa website. Click on the Sign Up button located in the top right corner. You can choose to create an account using your email address or by linking your Google or Facebook account. Fill in the necessary information and verify your email address if needed. Step 2. Complete your profile. Once your account is set up, head over to your profile settings. It's important to complete your profile by adding relevant details such as your name, location, and a brief bio. This helps build trust with potential buyers and sellers on the platform. Step 3. Set up payment information. To buy or sell on Flippa, you must set up your payment information. Navigate to the payment settings section of your profile. You can link your bank account or use other payment methods available on the platform. This is essential for smooth transactions when you start flipping domains. Step 4. Browse the marketplace. With your profile complete, it's time to browse the Flippa marketplace. Explore the available domains and websites for sale. Take note of the prices, traffic statistics, and other relevant data that can help you identify valuable opportunities. Step 5. Research and evaluate domains. Before making any purchases, research the domains that catch your interest. Look into their history, potential for growth, and market demand. Tools like WHOIS lookups and domain appraisal services can provide useful information to help you assess value. Step 6. Place a bid or buy now. Once you've found a domain you want to flip, you can place a bid or use the buy now option if available. Make sure to enter your payment information accurately to avoid any issues during the transaction. Step 7. List your domain for sale. After acquiring a domain, it's time to list it for sale on Flippa. Provide detailed information about the domain, its traffic, revenue potential, and any additional features that may appeal to buyers. High-quality images, if applicable, can also enhance your listing. Step 8. Promote your listing. To increase the chances of selling your domain, consider promoting your listing through social media channels, online forums, or relevant communities. Engaging with potential buyers can also help in closing the deal. Step 9. Manage transactions. When a buyer shows interest, Flippa provides tools to manage the transaction securely. Be responsive to inquiries and communicate clearly. Once a sale is made, follow the necessary steps for transferring ownership of the domain. Step 10. Review and adjust your strategy. After each flip, take the time to review your processes and what worked well or what didn't. This will help you refine your flipping strategy for future success. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips on flipping domains and making the most of the Flippa marketplace.